What is it, Violet?
Cookies.
More cookies?
Cookies.
Say please.
Cookies.
Where are the cookies? Where are the cookies? Are they in the bag? Violet.
No.
Say hi, Daddy.
No.
Say hi, Dad. You got cookie on your lip. Say hi, Daddy.
No.
You don't want to? Are you Daddy's baby?
No, baby.
You are?
No.
No? Whose baby are you? You're seeing all those birds. You want to feed the birds? Okay, get down. Look, Violet, watch. Come here, Vincent. Watch, watch. Look. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Buddy, over here, look. Vincent, over here. Look.
There's no cookies.
They're eating the cookies.
I can get. Huh?
Get the birds. Go get them. You want to give them more cookies?
Oh, yeah.
You want to do it? Violet, come here. Come this way.
Me? I what?
Violet, we're going to give them more cookies. Look, I'll give it in your hand. Give me your hand. Look. Oh, it's a lot of birds. Look. Go throw it. Throw it at them. Throw it.
More cookies, please.
No, that's a lot. That's a lot of cookies. Go get the birds. Go get them. You like the birds? Hi, Vincent. Say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
Say, Daddy.
Daddy.
I'm chasing the birds.
Say birds. Oh, and these.
Oops. Stand up. Good job, buddy.